Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. आज मैं आपके साथ कोविड-19 से संबंधित कुछ प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। जैसे कि हम लोग अभी देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग अभी स्टेज 2 में चल रहे हैं, जिसमें ज़्यादातर यंग लोग अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं। तो फेज़ 1 में ज़्यादातर एजेड लोग यानी कि बुज़ुर्ग लोग अफेक्ट हो रहे थे। अभी यंग लोग ज़्यादा अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं और केस फैटेलिटी रेट भी पिछले फर्स्ट फेज़ से ज़्यादा है। तो आइए चलते हैं इस कोविड-19 को हम लोग कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं विद सम प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज़ हैंड वॉशिंग। तो वॉशिंग हैंड्स विद सोप एंड वाटर फॉर एटलीस्ट 20 सेकेंड्स with alcohol based hand sanitizer with 60% of alcohol by volume। जैसे कि हम लोग राइट साइड में देख सकते हैं द स्टेप्स ऑफ प्रॉपर हैंड वॉशिंग। मैंने एक हैंड वॉशिंग के ऊपर एक वीडियो किया है, ऑल द 7 स्टेप्स ऑफ हैंड वॉशिंग फॉर इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, आप उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं। देन नेक्स्ट इज़ फॉलोइंग रेस्पिरेटरी हाइजीन, covering mouth and nose with a tissue while coughing and sneezing or with the bend of the elbow, like we can see in the right side depicting the proper respiratory or coughing etiquette. Then use of mask and avoiding unnecessary and repeated touching of eyes, nose or mouth. Then by self isolation and self quarantine. So self isolation is for those who diagnosed and those who suspected to have infected। इसमें आइसोलेशन में क्या करते हैं, जिसको कोविड-19 इन्फेक्शन हो गया है, those who have been affected or been diagnosed with COVID-19 infection, they are being isolated from the healthy individual. Okay, isolation is followed for diseased individual, not for healthy individual. And the self quarantine is for those who recently traveled to a country with a widespread transmission or have had direct contact with the COVID positive cases। तो क्वारंटीन और आइसोलेशन में फ़र्क क्या है? आइसोलेशन इज़ डन फॉर already affected or diseased people and quarantine is done for healthy but contacts। okay, healthy contacts के लिए quarantine किया जाता है। okay, then following physical distancing by minimum 6 to 8 feet or 2 meters distance। 2 गज की दूरी है ज़रूरी। okay, for minimizing close contact by following certain travel restriction like closing schools, कॉलेजेस, वर्क प्लेसेस, थिएटर, शॉपिंग मॉल्स एक्सेट्रा। जैसे कि हम लोग अभी देख रहे हैं कि इंडिया इज़ फॉलोइंग वाइड स्प्रेड लॉकडाउन इन डिफरेंट स्टेट, ओके, टू मिनिमाइज द फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट। नेक्स्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ कोविड-19 इज़ द इन्वेंट ऑफ द वैक्सीन, दैट इज़ the wide vaccination campaign. The India's largest or world's largest vaccination campaign is the COVID-19 vaccine। okay, so आइए चलते हैं कि कोविड-19 के कितने टाइप्स ऑफ वैक्सीन होते हैं, इसके रूट्स क्या है, ओके, इसको कब कब देना चाहिए, कितना गैप होना चाहिए इसमें। तो आइए चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है। पहला टाइप है कि RNA बेस्ड वैक्सीन्स। इसमें 2 वैक्सीन आते हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज़ द फाइज़र बायोनटेक वैक्सीन, द सेकेंड वन इज़ द मॉडर्ना वैक्सीन। ओके, तो फाइज़र बायोनटेक वैक्सीन, इसका जेनेरिक नेम है टोजिनामेरॉन। ओके, then it is a mRNA based vaccine। it is applicable for more than 16 years of age। ठीक है, more than 16 years of age they can be given this vaccine। the diluent used in this vaccine is 0.9% NaCl। okay, ये 2 डोजेस दिए जाते हैं, 0 ml each। the dose is 0.3 ml each। okay, and gap is 3 weeks gap between the 2 doses। its efficacy was found to be 95% एंड इसका स्टोरेज करते हैं बिटवीन -80 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू -60 डिग्री सेल्सियस। So this temperature is not suitable for Indian climatic condition. Okay. Then coming to the Moderna vaccine, the next mRNA vaccine is Moderna vaccine. It is the type mRNA type 1273. It is given in 2 doses, okay, 0.5 ml each, and with a gap of 4 weeks between the 2 doses. The efficacy is 94.1%, and its storage temperature is ranged from minus 25 degrees Celsius to minus 15 degrees Celsius, which is also not suitable for Indian climatic conditions. Okay. Then next coming to the viral vector vaccine, these are Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. The second one is CanSino vaccine. Third one is Janssen vaccine. Fourth one is Gamaleya R1 or Sputnik V vaccine. Fifth one and the newest in this edition is BB or Bharat Biotech nasal vaccine. Then comes the protein subunit vaccine, that is the Novavax. First one is Novavax. Second one is Chinese AOS vaccine. Third one is BioE vaccine. Okay. The newer in this edition is Novavax and BioE vaccine. Okay. Then comes the whole virus vaccine. These are Sinovac, Bharat Biotech, Sinopharm X2. Then we have Medicago INC. Okay. Then let's see the two indigenously used vaccine in India. That is the Covishield vaccine, which we can see in the left hand side, and the Covaxin by the Bharat Biotech in the right hand side. So let's see this vaccine one by one. So first going on to the Covishield vaccine. This is the vaccine, this is the recombinant viral vector based vaccine by the Serum Institute of India. Its name is CHADOX1N-CoV19. That is, it is derived from chimpanzee adenovirus. Okay. Then it is given in 2 doses, 0.5 ml each, 12 to 16 weeks apart. Here we should be knowing, in the recent Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and ICMR guidelines suggest that there should be a minimum gap of 12 to 16 weeks. Previously the gap was 4 weeks, but now it has been extended to 12 to 16 weeks. Okay. So the route is intramuscular, given in the deltoid region of the arm. The efficacy is 70%. The storage temperature is feasible for India, that is +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. Let's go to the Covaxin. It is the whole virion inactivated vaccine. It is BB152 vaccine. It is 100% indigenous. It is developed by Bharat Biotech BSL3 lab, ICMR NIV. The strain used is NIV 2020770. It has got 2 doses, 0.5 ml each. It is given 4 weeks apart. The route of this vaccine is intramuscular, given in the deltoid region. The efficacy is 81% and the storage temperature is feasible for India, that is +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. Next is the newer vaccine, which is supposed to be launched in August, and it has been approved by Government of India and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. That is the BB nasal vaccine, that is the Bharat Biotech nasal vaccine, that is BBV154 nasal vaccine. Next to the addition is Novavax vaccine. It is also the newer addition into the vaccine by the Government of India. It is approved by Government of India and ICMR, and it is supposed to be launched in August 2021. It has got 2 doses. It is given 3 weeks apart, and the vaccine is developed by Novavax, uses SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins as its main component. Next is Genova. Genova is a mRNA vaccine. It is approved by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and it will be launched by August. So it is a stable vaccine at +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. As we can see, this is a mRNA vaccine. Before we saw the mRNA vaccine, the two mRNA vaccine, that is Pfizer BioNTech, whose storage temperature was from -80 to -60 degrees Celsius, which was not feasible for Indian climatic condition. And the second mRNA vaccine was Moderna vaccine, whose storage temperature was -25 to -15 degrees Celsius, which was also not feasible for India. But here the newer Genova vaccine, that is the Genova vaccine, the mRNA vaccine, is stable at +2 to +8 degrees Celsius, which is very much suitable for the Indian context. So these are the very important and very useful preventive measures which we should follow, and we should be safe. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. So take care and be safe.